Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines brought to you by Options Legion.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook brought to you by Options Legion. Joining me today is Greg from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Greg?
The last session saw the pound drop 0.3% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin rose 0.9% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil gain 0.8% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. Oil prices were stable in choppy trading, but remained on course for a second weekly fall after countries announced plans to release crude from their strategic stocks. Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov said that coal was in high demand and that Russian coal earmarked for Europe would be redirected to alternative markets if the EU refused it. The dollar extended a squeeze higher, reaching a new near two-year peak against the basket of peers and a one-month high versus the euro, supported by the prospect of a more aggressive pace of Federal Reserve interest rate hikes. The UK's manufacturing production will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0600 GMT. The US 3-year note auction will be released at 1700 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here at Options Legion, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.